In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card or voucher on Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to apply your 16-digit redemption code smoothly and securely. First, open the Binance app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account and that your app is up to date, since the layout can vary slightly between versions and regions. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left and tap the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation panel. From here, select More Services to see the full list of features available. In the search bar at the top of the More Services page, type gift card. When gift card appears in the results, tap it to open the gift card section. Inside, choose Redeem Crypto. You'll see a field asking for your 16-digit redemption code. Enter the code carefully, double-checking each group of numbers to avoid typos. When you're confident it's correct, tap Redeem. After a moment, you should see a confirmation that your redemption was successful. The corresponding crypto amount will be credited to your account, and you can view it in your wallets shortly after. If you get an error, verify the code, make sure it hasn't been used, and confirm that you're connected to the internet. Small typing mistakes are the most common cause of failed redemptions. There's also another way to redeem, which is especially handy if you're working with vouchers linked to your account. From the same More Services area, tap Rewards Hub. Inside Rewards Hub, go to My Vouchers. If you see an available voucher, select Redeem here to apply it. This route is ideal for vouchers that have been distributed to your account through promotions or rewards, and it saves you from manually typing a code. As with gift cards, once you redeem, you'll receive a confirmation and the funds will be reflected in your account soon after. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Never share your redemption code with anyone and only enter it directly in the Binance app or website. If the code has an expiration date, try to redeem it as soon as possible. And if you don't see the gift card or rewards hub options, try updating the app or checking the More Services list again, as features can shift with updates. That's it. You now know both the gift card path and the Rewards Hub voucher path to redeem your crypto on Binance. Happy redeeming and thanks for watching.